Hello everyone, it's your boy Rico the Best, and in this video I'll be doing an unboxing on this Redragon gaming wireless mouse. This mouse runs around $15 US, so if you need to purchase one, the link's gonna be below in the description. So let's open this package and see what this mouse looks like. So there's a seal on the side here. Let's see if I could just take this apart. Okay. This case, I really like it. It's sturdy, protect your mouse. So if it even fell to the ground, no need to worry about your mouse. So you probably could use it too as a case for your mouse to ensure that your mouse is secure at all times. And it carries 4 clips at the side. Okay, so here is that beauty. It is so pretty, and let's see, it's comfortable, perfect. It just fits right in the palm of my hand. So let's take a look on it. At the bottom of this mouse, you could see you have your battery compartment. Let's see if there is any inside. No, it uses a AA battery, so it's one AA battery. Up top here we have your switch, which carries 3 functions. One of them is the off position, which is in the middle, the on position, which is at the bottom, and the eco position, which is to the top. So I guess the eco will actually save you some battery. So if you put it on eco, leave your mouse on, after a while when it's not in use, it will automatically turn off. The build feels sturdy. Also in the package you have your nano USB adapter for the mouse. Okay, so on this mouse here are some of the specifications. It's a 2400 dpi, 250 Hz holding weight. They said it's durable, Teflon feet pads, 9 function button, 5 quick changes DPI settings, so you could go from 800, 1200, 1600, 2000 and 2400 DPI. Smart pour saving, which would be your eco button, in which I mentioned earlier on. They said it works on most surface and it's also ergonomic. Inside this box it comes with a little booklet or a quick start guide, which tells you everything you need to know about your mouse. You have this Redragon little pamphlet, which basically want you to appreciate their business and hope you enjoy your gaming experience. You could like it or dislike it, and your quick start guide and connection, which tells you how to do the installation function, and installation meaning how to plug the USB port into your computer, which is a plug and play. And then this little user guide, which tells you everything about your mouse. So looking at the mouse here, we could see we have 3 buttons. On the left side we have the Dragon logo here, which I believe there is a light. And up top here we have our standard left and right click. We have 2 more buttons. I guess you could use them to scroll. You could also press the wheel also. So let me just go ahead and pop a battery inside this mouse. It is already on, so the light should come on. So there it is. We have some light here by the wheel. I'm not sure why I'm not seeing the other light, but I guess it's looking for the receiver, so it's blinking. So I would have to insert this receiver in order to see what's going on. So this is how the mouse would actually look in low light condition or in the dark. Pretty good. So I hope you guys do enjoy this video, and if you do, I want you to give it a like. Remember to comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.